everyone, in today's video, let us learn how to cleaning and flushing of evaporator and condenser with dry nitrogen. Objectives: at the end of this video, you will be able to number 1. Strip out the components from a conventional refrigerator. Number 2. Clean and flush the condenser coil with dry nitrogen. Number 3. Dry the condenser and evaporator coils with a hot air gun. Let us collect the tools and equipment required to do this practical. Flaring block and yoke 4.7 mm to 16 mm, one set. Swaging tool set or multiple tool in all sizes 1/4 inch to 5/8. Hammer ball pen 220 grams, one number. Measuring tape 2 meters, one number. Tube cutter 3 mm to 16 mm diameter, one number. Spanner double end 4.7 to 16 mm, one number. Cutting plier 200 mm. Nose plier 150 mm, one number. Screwdriver 10 mm tip 200 mm length, one number. Hot air gun, one number. Line tester 500 volts heavy duty, one number. Gas welding set, one number. Nitrogen regulator 2-stage with hand shut off valve, one number. Insulation tape, one number. Sandpaper, one number. Procedure: Task 1. Strip out evaporator coil and condenser coil from the refrigeration system for internal cleaning in conventional refrigerator. Step 1. Disconnect the electrical power supply to the refrigerator. Step 2. Remove the relay cover clip. Step 3. Gently pull the relay from the compressor terminal. Step 4. Keep away wire harness assembly from the torch flame reach. Step 5. Recover the refrigerant in service cylinder. Step 6. Allow 5 minutes to escape all the refrigerant gas from surrounding if any. Step 7. Flame the torch and adjust to neutral flame. Step 8. Debreeze suction line capillary tube from the outlet dryer. Step 9. Unscrew the condenser coil mounting bracket. Step 10. Separate the condenser coil from the refrigerator. Step 11. Remove the door by unscrewing top hinge to enable to pull the evaporator coil from inside. Step 12. Check the evaporator coil mounting arrangement. Normally front portion mounted on 2 bolts, back portion lock arrangements. Step 13. Remove the mounting bolt, unlock the evaporator. Step 14. Remove the thermostat bolts from the evaporator. Step 15. Gently pull the evaporator from the refrigerator. Step 16. Debreeze the suction line from the evaporator outlet and debreeze capillary tube from the inlet of the evaporator coil. Step 17. Before debreeze suction line and capillary tube from the evaporator, keep wet cloth on evaporator copper aluminum joints. Step 18. Now, the evaporator coil, condenser coil is ready for internal cleaning. Task 2. Clean and flush condenser and evaporator coil with nitrogen. Step 1. Clean the condenser external surface with wire brush. Step 2. Cut 150 mm length 6 mm tube for the coil. Step 3. Insert 6 mm flare nut at one end of the 150 mm copper tube and make 6 mm flare with the help of flaring block and yoke. Step 4. Swage other end to suit 6 mm bungee tube with the help of flaring block and swage punch. Step 5. Insert swage tube to bungee tube of condenser coil or evaporator coil. Step 6. Brace the joints, bungee tube and copper tube with silver rod. Use suitable flux. Before bracing, it's crucial to ensure that the surfaces to be joined are clean and free of contaminants. like oxidation, dirt, or grease using emery sheets. Typical fluxes used for brazing. Different materials commonly found in refrigeration systems. They are copper to copper, copper to aluminium, copper to steel, aluminium to aluminium, and aluminium to steel. Step 7. Ensure the joint properly fitted with silver rod. Step 8. Check the small mirror opposite side are also covered properly. Step 9. Connect 6 mm straight union in the flare nut. Step 10. Check charging hose. Ensure rubber bushes are there in both ends. Step 11. Connect one end of charging line to dry nitrogen cylinder and hand shut off by tightening clockwise. Step 12. Connect the other end of charging hose to the straight union in the condenser coil or evaporator coil. Step 13. Unscrew the dry nitrogen cylinder regulator valve stem and keep the hand shut-off valve open. Step 14. Crack the nitrogen cylinder valve anti-clockwise, stem with the help of cylinder key. Step 15. Check the cylinder pressure in the nitrogen cylinder. Step 16. Slowly turn clockwise regulator spindle and maintain 7 kg per centimeter square outflow with the help of testing pressure gauge. Step 17. Hold your hand on condenser outlet. Step 18. Close the outlet mouth for few seconds with your finger, then leave your finger. Step 19. Repeat the above procedure till maximum 5 minutes. All the contamination come out. After flushing cap, the end of the condenser evaporator coil. Now the coil is ready for assembling. Flushing the condenser coil may involve handling cleaning solutions, chemicals, or debris that could irritate or harm the skin. Wearing gloves provides a physical barrier that protects your hands from contact with these substances, reducing the risk of skin irritation, cuts, or abrasions. Task 3. Dry the condenser and evaporator coil with hot air gun. Step 1. Connect the nitrogen cylinder as per the diagram. Step 2. Regulator 0.5 kg per centimeter square on the regulator to pass the nitrogen during drying operation to avoid air entry. Step 3. Switch on the hot air gun. Step 4. Hold the gun and warm the condenser coil right to left from top to bottom for 15 minutes. Check continuous rating of hot air gun. Step 5. Switch off hot air gun. Step 6. Remove the charging hose. Straight union plug the inlet outlet mouth with suitable cap. Step 7. Plug both ends with suitable caps. Step 8. Now the condenser coil ready for assembling. Recap. In this video, we have discussed how to Number 1. Strip out the components from a conventional refrigerator. Number 2. Clean and flush the condenser coil with dry nitrogen. Number 3. Dry the condenser and evaporator coils with a hot air gun.